I love making people feel better. Seeing them be alleviated from this fear that has been, in the back of their minds, that's one of the most special things about my job. I was born in San Antonio, Texas. My father was in the Air Force. My mother was an educator. I'm the youngest of the 3 children. I have 2 older sisters. And so I was towards the tail end of his Air Force career. So he was originally from Henderson, Kentucky, and once he retired, we moved back there. I kind of had a dilemma at Murray State University because I had a music scholarship for trumpet as well as an academic one. And so I decided to go the academic route with probably a little nudge from my parents. I called Dr. Wayne about 2 years after getting out of dental school and just was looking for a new career path. The stars aligned and it was exactly where I wanted to be. My wife and I still talk about it to this day, 13 years later, about what a blessing it was. Working for Mortenson Family Dental means that I get to focus on being a great dentist. And also lets me have a great family life at home. I can see my children more often because I'm not worrying about certain parts of the office that most self-providers in their own practices have to worry about. When I go home, I get to spend time with my kids and spend time with my wife and really get to focus on my family. And that is the most important part of my life. I have a great relationship with my staff. They're just such great people. I really think that's a huge part of what makes me successful as a dentist is the team that I have around me. We have a wonderful team. What I love to do outside of dentistry is music. I go down to Nashville about once every 2 weeks and write songs with other songwriters there and have my music pitched to other major artists. So that is definitely a huge passion of mine. People come in and they just don't want to be at the dentist. They've had so many different experiences in the past that are bad. It's really gratifying to see them have a totally different experience in my chair with my team and seeing the relief on their face that they finally found a person that they can trust. That by far is the best part of it. What's really made us successful is that they know that we care about them and they know that we're always going to do the right thing for them. I'm really, really proud to be working for Mortenson Family Dental.